Good day, children. Take out your Cambridge Connection English workbook. Cambridge Connection English workbook. We will do one picture composition today. Picture composition we will do. Take out this book, Cambridge Connection English workbook, and take out a pencil, a loose sheet. Get ready with those. Take out page number 55. Page number 55. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. What picture is this? Can you tell me? What is it showing? Correct, zoo. So based on this picture, I have given you one picture composition. Based on this picture. 55 of this Cambridge Connection workbook, and take out this page. This picture, you see the picture. Okay, now let's start with the picture composition. Write on the top picture composition, page 55. You have to choose the words. Here the words are there in the box. You have to choose it and fill in the blanks. Picture composition. See the picture and then you will write. It's about the zoo. Okay, now copy this. Copy the words in the box first. Lions, deer, trunks, elephants, zoo, bright, tickets, monkeys, bananas, birds. Copy this. Now start copying the passage. Last year I went to the dash with my parents. It was a dash day. My father bought the dash and we entered the zoo. At first, we went to see the dash with long tails who were eating dash. Then we saw many colorful dash near the lake. After that, we saw the dash splashing water with their dash. We heard the dash roaring loudly. We also saw dash and giraffes. We also saw dash and giraffes. Copy this, children. See the picture here. See the picture. You can understand what it is. Now copy this. Try to do it yourself. See the words in the box and try to do it yourself. Page number 55. Look at the picture. It's a picture of a zoo, and based on this I have given you the composition. Picture of a zoo. You have to imagine and write. Some points here, sentences you have to imagine and write. You can see the animals here. You can see the animals: lion, elephant, zebra, giraffe, monkey. You can see these. So based on this, you have to write it. Okay, let's start. Last year, I went to the dash with my parents. What it will be here? Choose from here. Zoo, correct. Z-O-O, zoo. With my parents. It was a bright day. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. It was a bright day. My father bought the dash, tickets, T-I-C-K-E-T-S, tickets. And we entered the zoo. At first we went to see the dash with long tails. Who have long tails? Monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. With long tails, who were eating? What they were eating? Bananas, yes. B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. Then we saw many colorful birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Near the lake. After that, we saw the dash splashing water. Who was splashing water? Elephants. They were splashing water. Elephants. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S. Elephants. Splashing water with their what? See here, choose. Trunks. T-R-U-N-K-S, trunks. We heard the dash roaring. Who roars? Lions. Lion roar. L-I-O-N-S, lions, roaring loudly. We also saw deer. D-E-E-R, deer and giraffes. Copy the answers, children. Last year I went to the zoo with my parents. It was a bright day. My father bought the tickets and we entered the zoo. At first we went to see the monkeys with long tails who were eating bananas. Then we saw many colorful birds, B-I-R-D-S, near the lake. After that, we saw the elephants splashing water with their trunks. We heard the lions, L-I-O-N-S, lions, roaring loudly. We also saw deer and giraffes. All the words are there in this box. You have to choose it from here and write. Here is the picture. Picture, the animals are shown here. You have to think and write. Copy the answers, children.